Hey guys, today we're going to be reviewing the JP Morgan Reserve card, okay, and whether or not it is worth it. Now, first off, this is not a card that you can just apply for online. You'll actually need to be a Chase private client for this, or more likely have a JP Morgan private advisor and often at least $10 million in assets under management with them. Okay? Now, if you're wondering about the perks, you will get airport VIP access, right? Including priority pass and even extra VIP perks at select events, unlimited club membership. Alone, that is a game changer for frequent flyers. A dedicated 24/7 concierge service, everything from booking restaurants to snagging event tickets. Also, it's fully metal and weighs at 27 grams, nearly double the CSR or CSP. Okay, the no tap pay though, unless you request the plastic version. Okay, and you get 3 times on a travel and dining, access to Chase's Ultimate Rewards portal. Now, this is more of a, status symbol, not just about points. It offers you prestige, top tier service, and basically personalized financial treatment. So, if you qualify, the card's basically a no brainer for the prestige, the perks, and, the white glove treatment. And if you are someone with significant assets with the Chase, then it is the right one for you. Otherwise, it's out of reach. So it's one of the most elite metal cards on the market. And that is it for you for this breakdown. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Frequently Asked Questions.